Hello students, today we are going to explore the surface of Mars along with the rover. Students, can you see the rover in the surface of Mars? Okay, we will give you the link so that you can touch and access every point on the surface of Mars, and also you can move the rover to a particular point as you click on any point in the surface of Mars through your mobile phone or any other device. Okay, first let us explore the mast camera of the rover. Okay, this is called the mast camera. And why it is called as the mast? What is meant by the mast? The mast is a upright structure that is fixed at one edge of a boat or a driving vessel. Okay, so in this rover, the mast is the upright structure over here, and the mast has a camera that can be rotated. Let's check and how we can rotate it. For rotating the camera, just click on this icon. So now our rover comes to life. So now we can rotate each and every part. First we will rotate this camera. So now can you see the camera is facing upright, and now we are moving the camera up and down. Okay, similarly you can also move this camera by just clicking and dragging up and down. By clicking this edge so that you can see the camera's output. So now it is showing the output of the hazard camera. So change this output to mast camera right, so that you can see what is captured by the mast camera. Okay, now you can also rotate the second point on the camera's base, so that you can rotate and turn the camera left and right, and also by adjusting both the up and down movement and also the left and right movement at the base, you can explore the surface of Mars, and also you can move the rover to any point on the Mars surface by clicking on. For that, you have to click on the first option over here. So if you click on that, the rover will get into free drive and rover replay mode. So in this mode, if you click anywhere on the surface of Mars, the rover will reach there by moving it. So actually you are viewing the rover moving at 60 times the original speed of rover. So the actual speed of rover is very low. and it is in the speed is just increased to 60 times for our visibility. Okay, now let's move on and learn more clearly about the mast camera. For that, we will just click on the mast camera. The mast camera is a two-colored camera. The mast stand is 7 feet, that is 2.1 meters above the surface of Mars. This two-colored camera on Curiosity's mast are the left and right eyes of the mast camera. The Curiosity's navigation cameras paired for stereo 3D vision are next to the mast camera. The mast camera has the zoom in feature. So this camera can take 3D photos of objects in a more clear manner so that we can explore the properties of objects with the photos taken by this camera. The two colored cameras are placed with a distance of 24.2 centimeters between each camera so that they can provide stereo vision. 3D photos and videos are obtained by this camera. This 3D camera acts as the eyes of Mars rover. As this camera is placed at a height of 7 feet, it looks like a man standing at Mars and looking on the surface of Mars. The image size of this camera is 1600 by 1200 pixels maximum, so that the output pictures are more clear. This has autofocus and zoom in feature so that it can act at a very high speed and get a more depth and high quality images. Okay students, in the next session we will learn about another part of Mars rover. Thank you.